7 honest signs he doesn't love you anymore. Let me guess. Something is going on in your relationship and you're looking for 100% no doubt signs he doesn't love you anymore. Moreover, you truly think that he is on the edge of breaking up with you. In this video, I will share with you 7 signs your man doesn't really care about you. Maybe it's time you search for happiness somewhere else. 1. You feel anxious around him and you don't know why. Needless to say, if your boyfriend doesn't love you anymore, there is a weird vibe he transmits onto you and you feel it. He's probably more confused than you right now, and his anxiousness gets to you. You often feel like you're walking on eggshells and like you're going to explode any second, trying to find out what's going on in his head. On top of that, if you're in denial and refuse to accept that he no longer loves you, then you are in the middle of inner conflict with yourself. All that slowly kills your sanity and you get panicked and scared of what the future will bring. 2. Your boyfriend doesn't put any effort into the relationship anymore. In fact, it's been a one-sided relationship for a long time. And you know what? You feel tired, annoyed, and powerless all at once. It's clear that your relationship is failing, but he doesn't do anything about it. Moreover, he hasn't initiated almost any of your last few or even more dates, and he doesn't work on getting closer to you. There is no communication between you two anymore, and nothing could trigger him to invest his time in this relationship. 3. He is distant emotionally. It's simple. A man who is in love with you will look for ways to be close to you, and I don't mean just the physical touch. The essential connection that builds a strong and fulfilling relationship is emotional commitment and closeness. This is the part where you will actually know for sure if he loves you or not. Is he distant? Does he prefer not to talk to you about things that bother him? Do you feel like he's put a massive wall between you two, and no matter how hard you hit it, you can't find even a peephole so you could get to him? Well, that's a huge red flag that your guy isn't comfortable being with you and he might not love you anymore. 4. He doesn't want you to bother him. Add this sign to the previous one. Can you believe that I had an email from a lady who was saying that her boyfriend didn't want to see her more than once a week? She was depressed because she believed she loved him and couldn't understand why he wouldn't want to spend more time together. Are you in a similar situation? Well, let me tell you that's not okay. Your boyfriend doesn't appreciate you, he doesn't respect you, and most of all, he doesn't care about you. In fact, he's using you. 5. He doesn't need your opinion anymore. It's not like he has to ask you for permission or anything like that. He's free to do whatever he wants with his life. Or is he? If you're in a serious relationship or want to be in such, almost every decision you take will affect the other person in one way or another. It's a no-brainer that if he wants to quit his job and you live together, that will affect you. Whatever it is, if he decides to change something in his life, it will affect you, and that's normal. That's why we call the relationship a partnership too. You are the CEOs of your company, hence the relationship. Does your guy ignore you when he has to decide on something important in his life? Are you the last to find out what's going on with him? That might be a huge sign he doesn't care about you anymore, and to him, your opinion doesn't matter. 6. When you tell him you love him, he hesitates before answering. I know it hurts, and I know what the worst part of it is. It's that every time you tell him you love him and see his hesitation, something dies inside of you. Every time. Because deep down in yourself, you know he doesn't love you anymore. There shouldn't be any hesitation, any pause, no looking away or rolling his eyes. None of that. There should be love. Unconditional. 7. He refuses to talk about it and gets angry. Be honest. Would you get angry if he'd come to you and tell you he isn't sure you love him? No. You would be worried, you would ask him what made him feel that way, you would be concerned you did something that misled him. So, why does he get angry about it if you ask him the same? Why does he hide behind his anger and uses it to avoid the painful conversation? I'll tell you why. It's because he knows he cannot hide it as well as he wants. He doesn't love you anymore and needs time to accept this. Anger and attack is the best defensive tactic ever. So he uses it every time he needs to drag the attention away from the problems. These were 7 signs your partner doesn't love you anymore. I have 10 more signs for you in the blog post. Click the link in the description to see them. Visit drforlove.com for more tips on how to build a love life you actually enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, share.